Hello, today I'm going to introduce you the new Lexin Moto Ft4 Bluetooth communication system to keep you safe, seen, and communicating with your friends while you're riding your motorcycle. In this video, I'm going to explain to you what comes in the Ft4 single kit, as well as how to install it into your helmet. So let me show you our three different kits. We have the Lexin Ft4 single kit, which is for a single-use rider. We have the Lexin dual kit, which comes with two of the Bluetooth systems for you and a passenger or you and a buddy. And then our combination kit, which includes a single Bluetooth Ft4 system, and it also includes the RAM X mount, one of the leading standards of phone mount systems. This comes with everything you need to either install it near your brake or your handlebars, so you keep your phone safe, and you'll be safe because you'll be using Bluetooth with your phone, and this is the best bang for the buck. What your Ft4 single kit includes is high definition speakers for your left and your right ear. You have two different microphones to choose from, either a boom microphone for open face helmet or a stick-on microphone for the front of your full face helmet. You have your charging cable for the unit. You have the Bluetooth unit itself. You have the mounting bracket for your helmet, a spacer for your helmet if need be, if you need to mount the bracket further away. We have a 3M double-sided mount. Just if this doesn't work, you just mount this to here, and this will just stick anywhere on your helmet. We also have the microphone mount. This is to hold the wire out of your face and out of the way. You have your spacers for your speakers if you need them. These are to keep your speakers closer to your ears if they're mounted too far away and you can't hear well. You can mount these, and they will help you bring the speakers closer to your ears so you can hear. It comes with an Allen wrench, and it comes with 4 Allens. The system only needs 2, but it comes with 2 extra just in case you lose some down the road. And that's everything that's included in the Ft4 single Bluetooth system.